Hello everyone, welcome to Entertain, Educate, Inspire Baguio. Today is flag raising ceremony, so let's go to Baguio City Hall. More blessings to all of us. Thank you for watching. Today is also the first day of classes of public schools. We are now here going to McDonald's. That's one of the most well-loved public servants of the people of Baguio, Baguio City Councilor Vladimir Cayabas. Welcome to our beautiful Baguio City.
We praise you for goodness and faithfulness in every season. We know you have called us to serve. We lift up all civil servants, those with great responsibilities and those with small, those shaping generations and those meeting today's needs. Grant them integrity, fairness, and compassion, serving without prejudice or pursuit of personal gain.
Pa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisan na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan.
Across various categories, showcasing excellence, discipline, and artistry in dance.
Ensuring the civil registry records accurately reflect lawful identities. Recognizing recurring issues affecting innocent and economically disadvantaged clients. The office submitted through the Office of Honorable Mauricio Damogan proposed amendments to existing civil registry laws. These include allowing administrative correction of clerical errors in the year of birth, corrections in annotation of civil registry.
And the realization ko, every time I talk to Mayor, every time I'm here in Baguio, I realize the key to transformation is conviction.
Okay, after the flag raising ceremony, we're going to Quarry. Middle Quarry.